I'll have kings.
You're gonna fold kings?
Yeah, dude. I thought you had aces.
All right, get me racks. I'm out.
It's just. I thought he had aces. I'm sorry, you know. It was like 2 minutes. Big deal.
Oh my god.
Who's moaning? Mariano? Yeah.
Play faster, please.
Wait 3 minutes to call off with kings? What the fuck are we doing?
Dude, I thought he had aces.
So out of line. You're never folding. Like, it's just a waste of time. You're nit rolling him too. It's just
Why
like
are you in
gross.
such a rush? Play faster, please. Yeah, I had a red velvet cheesecake at California Pizza Kitchen. Okay.
It's good.
You're
Yeah,
so
good.
bomb.
Yeah.
Okay, at least I know.
It's good. It's good. And I don't even eat cake.
That was a while ago, though. Raise. You made it 300, right? All right.
You know what I feel like might be good is like Sidecar, the donut place. I feel like that they would have something that would be good. What's it called? I think it's
We are playing 50, 100 on Hustler Casino Live, playing about $60,000 deep, about 600 big blinds. Hand starts off normal enough. We have Nick Airball opening it up to 300 bucks with King Queen offsuit. Mariano, world-class video blogger, super battler, 3 bets in the cutoff with pocket kings. Folds around to Henry in the small blind, who makes it $4,000 with ace queen offsuit. One thing you will find if you study GTO preflop charts is that when it goes raise and 3-bet before you, you usually have to be pretty tight from out of position. If you are going to be 4-bet bluffing though, you really want to have a suited ace, primarily hands like ace queen suited, ace 10 suited, ace 5 suited, stuff like that. However, if you think your opponents are raising and 3-betting far too wide to begin with, you need to widen your 3-bet bluffing range. And then hands that become good 3-bet bluffs are hands like ace queen offsuit, which is exactly what Henry has. I love this play, making it 4,000. It's not gonna work this time. Let's see what happens.
like a gourmet donut place.
4-bet from Henry, who
There's a couple around OCLA.
has actually run into Mariano having something.
Would you start with like 60 or something?
Yeah, like 50. Between 50 and 60.
Five bet from Mariano.
I can't believe Nick Airball folded the king queen offsuit, but he did. Super sick fold by him. Back around to Mariano. He 5-bets to 11,500. Something else you'll recognize if you study very deep stack charts is you really don't do a whole lot of 5-betting, 6-betting, 7-betting, etc. Because when you get it all in, you're going to be against aces. It may sound a little bit crazy, but this is a spot where kings should probably just call the cold 4-bet from in position. That said, every once in a while you can certainly put in the 5-bet to 11,500 like Mariano does. You especially want to put in the 5-bet if you think your opponent in the small blind is 4-betting with bluffs too often, and more importantly, will rip it all in for $60,000 too often with ace-X suited type hands. Maybe Mariano knows that. I mean, look, to be fair, Hustler Casino Live's games play really wild, pretty badly, so this is probably just the right play. Let's see if Henry can find the fold.
He's folded to lots of 4-bets tonight. And Henry in a tricky spot now. Ace queen. A very tough hand to play out of position in a 5-bet pot. He shoves, turning his ace queen into a bluff here, and Mariano's going to snap this off.
Can I get a count?
I assumed he was going to snap it off.
Henry does not find the fold. Instead, he finds the all-in. This is a cool spot. I think a lot of people in Henry's shoes who are a little bit more novice poker players opt to call, thinking, well, ace-queen's pretty good. I guess I should see the flop. But no. The only viable options in this scenario are to fold or rip it in. Maybe you could click it back minimum to something like 20,000 and then fold to a shove. But this is a spot where ace-x, especially ace-x suited, makes the best all-in bluffs because you block your opponent from having pocket aces because you have an ace in your hand. And also, if you do get called, quite often you're going to be against a hand like pocket kings, which you have some outs against. So while shoving it all in with every ace-queen offsuit here is probably too aggressive in general, it's a pretty good hand selection, and, well, we'll see if Mariano can find the call with the kings.
Who knows? Henry, 6-bet bluff shoving, the ace-queen offsuit here.
And pull in my 11-5. Quickly, quickly, quickly. I don't want to get the clock called.
Henry probably figuring that he blocks a lot of very strong hands with something like ace-queen. Blocks aces, blocks ace-king, blocks pocket queens, and that his opponent is very capable.
50,600 more.
Maybe especially in this exact spot of 5-betting light. Mariano has 3-bet a ton this evening, has gotten 4-bet a bunch, and has folded to a whole bunch of them. Henry might think that Mariano has sort of had it. And that he was ready to put in a light 5-bet. He was not light. I'm surprised that, I mean, it's so easy to say when you can see the cards. But I am surprised he's still thinking about this. There are a lot of players who just aren't going to put in all the money here without aces. I just don't think Henry is really one of those players, though. Finally does make the call.
Place?
Sure, brother.
125,000 in the middle. Biggest pot of the night so far. Mariano with the best of it.
After a lot of thought, Mariano finds the call. What I want to know is, do you think this was a slow roll? Let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're down there, click the like and subscribe button. And then we'll see if Pocket Kings can actually win.
They'll run it twice.
You don't have ace king, right?
No. Do you?
So, show?
Let us sweat.
I have kings.
You don't have kings.
I do.
Okay. I have ace queen.
What are you doing, man?
What are you doing?
You're gonna fold kings?
Yeah, dude, I thought you had aces.
All right, get me racks. I'm out. No, I can't
Mariano is...
wait 3 minutes to call off with kings. What the f are we doing?
Dude, I thought he had
It's
aces.
so out of line. You're never folding. Like, it's just a waste of time.
I've folded kings before.
You're never folding for 60,000.
Dude, I took like a minute or two. What's the big deal, man?
No, it's just like it's like you're nit rolling them too. It's just
Why
like
are you
gross.
in such a rush?
Why are you wasting time?
Because I thought maybe I was gonna
You're
fold.
never folding kings. Get the out. You're never folding kings.
Dude, I think it's reasonable for how big the bet is.
It's completely unreasonable. He literally, like, he's
think
sitting
it's
there. You think he
reasonable.
ever thinks he has kings?
I think it's reasonable.
It's completely unreasonable.
He might still have ace.
Okay, man. Well, I'm getting whacked today, and I just wanted to think about it for a
You're
minute.
down small. Come on, dude.
Bro, just because everything is small to you doesn't mean it's small to everyone else.
You can't say you're getting whacked. You're not. And you waste
I
so
am
much
getting
time.
whacked. I'm
You
down
waste so much
200K this
time.
week.
You said today.
Yeah, including today. 50 today, 100 yesterday. Like,
Okay, but like
I just wanted to
yesterday
think
doesn't
about it.
matter.
I just want to think about it for a minute.
No, it's completely unreasonable. Dog, you can think that. I think it's completely
It's
unreasonable.
fine, Doc. Don't worry about it. Okay,
Kings,
get
like,
racks.
kings is like, you never fold king. He's never folding king.
All right.
Fold, yeah.
Okay,
Right?
get racks then. I'll see you later. Okay, get racks.
Okay.
Play, it's fine.
I mean, you won't see me later because you'll just never play with me again.
Henry with the queen of spades here, and hits a spade.
I don't have a spade.
He's going to win the first run out.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. It's unbelievable.
And they'll chop this up. So I too was a little bit surprised to see Mariano tanking for that long with pocket kings, but also I think he's well within his rights to think for a couple minutes
I
before
didn't give him any money.
putting in $60,000 with less than the
No, it's
nuts.
okay. I didn't give him any money.
I don't think Mariano did anything wrong there at all.
They run it twice. They chop it up. They both win $250 from Nick Airball. They should both count that as a win.